All right, guys, let's look at this problem. It says determine the slope of the tangent line to the graph of the following function at the point square root of 2, negative 1 over square root of 2. My function is x squared plus 4y squared equals to 4. The first thing I need to do is I need to find the derivative, or dy of dx, the derivative of y with respect to x, of my function. Since this is not an explicit form, in other words, not solved for x or y, I'm going to have to do implicit differentiation. So, to do so, I'm going to do the derivative with respect to x of x squared plus the derivative with respect to x of 4y squared equals the derivative with respect to x of 4. Notice that the variable and the derivative are the same, so the derivative of x squared with respect to x would simply be 2x plus, notice that the derivative and the variable are not the same, so I can take the derivative, it would be 4 times 2, 8y, but because they're not the same, it's going to be 8y dy over dx, and then the derivative of any constant is just 0. Remember, your goal is to get the dy over dx on the left-hand side. Anything without a dy dx, in this case the 2x, needs to go to the other side. So I'm going to have 8y dy over dx equals negative 2x. And then to solve this for dy over dx, I'm going to divide by 8y. And so dy over dx, or the derivative of y with respect to x, simplified would be negative x over 4y. Now, to find the slope of the tangent line, I'm going to need to plug in my values for x and y into the derivative. So in this case, I would have negative square root of 2 over 4 times negative 1 over the square root of 2. Your algebra skills are going to be tested here. I'm going to get negative square root of 2 over 4 times negative 1 would be negative 4 over the square root of 2. I'm going to stay, change, flip, because this is division. Stay the same, change this to multiplication, and then flip this fraction. So I'm going to have negative square root of 2 times, flip this, square root of 2 over negative 4. The square root of 2 times negative square root of 2 would be negative 2 over negative 4, which this reduces to a positive 1/2.